did saying there for us.
Time is 7:16 on a Saturday morning, and I'll be thinking, Louise, I'll be thinking pretty nippy this morning. Would I be right?
You will be very right, actually, Charlie. I just want to show you the comparison between Friday morning, where temperatures around 6 to 8 degrees for many of us. Look at this morning, cold and frosty. Our first widespread frost of the winter season. Temperatures in Oxfordshire down as low as -7 degrees. But hopefully the compensation will be the sparkling winter sunshine that most of us are likely to see. The winds are light for most, but still coming from a northerly direction, running down through the North Sea. We might just see 1 or 2 isolated showers here, and a little more in the way of cloud through the Irish Sea, just lapping onto West Coast as well. But generally speaking, it's dry, settled and sunny for most, but it's not particularly warm. It's going to take a while for those temperatures to recover. They will do so, but maximum temperatures generally around 6 or 7 degrees, so that's below par for this time of year. 9 degrees in the southwest. The reason for that is some clouds starting to spill in, and through the evening we'll see a weak weather front arriving as it does so. It's going to bring this cloud into the west, so that'll hold the temperatures up. But further east, with some clearing skies, we might see temperatures down to -1. So not quite as cold a start tomorrow, but unfortunately not quite as sparkling, because our low pressure will bring in these frontal systems and they'll bring outbreaks of showery rain with it from the west, taking its time. So rain into Northern Ireland, across northwest England, Wales, eventually moving towards the Midlands and southwest England through the day. Clouding over, rather grey afternoon, which will make it feel quite dismal, I suspect. The best of any breaks in the cloud up into the far northeast of Scotland, but still with those temperatures around 5 or 6 degrees, and you haven't got the sunshine to go with it. Might be a bit grey and gloomy Sunday afternoon. 10 to 13 though out to the west where that rain is sitting. Now that front will slide its way slowly southeast during Monday, so that means a contrast on Monday. There will be some rain around, so not a particularly nice day, I don't think, for England and Wales, as the showery rain drifts its way steadily south. We will see some sunny spells developing across Scotland, Northern Ireland, late on in the day across northern England, with a scattering of showers, and some of these showers could be wintry to higher ground. So top temperatures again generally around 6 to 9 degrees, maybe 10 to 12 down into the far southwest. But on the whole, this cold theme stays with us as we move into the week ahead. And any frontal systems that we will get, potentially through the middle part of the week, is going to bring some rain and possibly to higher ground, might bring a little bit of winteriness. Look at Inverness Friday, Saturday. There is the potential here for some snow. But generally speaking, for most of us, temperatures a little bit subdued, really, for the last few days of November, and it will feel pretty miserable when it rains. Back to you two.
Yeah, we are near the end of November. Year's flown. Louise, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to tell you about a rather unusual challenge, also a labour of love.